guys, it's me, Minori. こんにちは、Minori です。How's it going, guys? So, in this video, I will talk about how native speakers use how are you and all those phrases that means the same thing. So, let's get it started. So, the first one is how are you? And another one will be how are you doing? Other one is how's it going? I hear a lot of native speakers use it. And also other ones, oh, are you doing good? There are two different ways to use these phrases, and I think most of you guys learned these phrases to ask another person for like how they are feeling or how they are doing in their lives. So that's one of the ways. And another one is just saying it to mean like hey or hi. Maybe some people are not really asking for how you are doing or how you are feeling. Like in Japanese education, we learn to like answer to the question all the time. So they're not really like have to answer questions, but like if you want to respond, that's okay. Like if you are feeling great about your day, or like if you're great at the moment, then you can say, oh yeah, I'm doing great, you? Or something like that. Or just the other way, like if you are feeling like a little bit sick or like if a bit down, you can just say like, oh, I'm not doing too good, but thanks, or something like that. But actually some people, I think that depends on where they live, use it just because. So like this person says like, hey, how are you doing? And that's it, like, and the other person, hey, how are you doing? Or something like that. It's just that natural. Like, yeah, we learned to like respond to each of the questions through the Japanese English education, but you don't have to feel like you have to answer those questions. So I just want to give a shout out to my friend who literally helped me to get a better understanding of these phrases. So thank you very much. And maybe I'm gonna make videos on this, what kind of situation you are gonna be asked or something like that. If you are excited for that video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye, have a great day.